Hello everyone, it's Datrina from the Alluring Bee Boutique, and we're going to do a little something I've never done before, but let me start by saying that I received an email from this website. The company's called BeebeeCraft, and they asked me if I would be interested in getting some of their products and doing a few product reviews for you guys, and I said sure, why not? I mean, that's just free stuff. I'm all for it. So they let me pick out a few different things, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show them all to you first, and then we're going to review each one, individually, and take a look at them from a beader standpoint. So you know that most of my videos involve bead weaving of some type, a little bit of wire work, metal smithing, and that type of thing. But, I feel like if I'm going to do a product review for you guys, what I'd like to do is see how they pan out for us as beaders. Okay, so the company is called BeebeeCraft, and they have a website. Part of their business is located in China, but they do have distribution centers and warehouses in the United States. I was on vacation for 2 weeks, so I emailed the lady with the products that I had picked out. She sent me back an email telling me that it would what the time length would be, about 8 days to 2 weeks to get them. Well, they came while I was gone, so I was gone for like 12 days. So that's pretty fair amount of time. Probably maybe some came from China. Not really sure, but it came pretty fast, and I was satisfied with that. No big deal. I don't have the exact date that they got here, but they came fairly quickly. And so that's important to us, because when we order things, generally we have a project in mind, and we do want to get our materials as soon as we can. But, the main thing to understand is that you will have to determine when you order from them whether or not the products are coming from the United States or Canada or from China. All right, so let's move on, and let's talk about the individual items that I picked out and what they sent to me. So first up, we have this assortment of seed beads here. And these are the Panda Hall Elites. These are size 12 seed beads. And this beautiful little pack comes in a wonderful little variety of colors. This particular one has AB finish on all the different colors. And inside, if you could see, each one is inside of these beautiful little cups, or the little stack cups with the lids. And they're really, really packaged super nice. And I will say this, I am totally impressed with the packaging for the items that I received from BeebeeCraft. So these are the seed beads. I'll open them up here in a few minutes when we get ready to take a look at each individual color and what we think about the quality. Then next up are these gorgeous little rondelles. Now the ones that I ordered were the 2x3 millimeters. And they came really beautiful colors. We've got this beautiful like forest green here, and I think they all have like an AB finish. As you can see here how shiny and pretty this finish is on these little rondelles. But the colors are really pretty, and they're really opaque. If you take a look at them individually, they're very opaque, very, very pretty to look at. We have that beautiful foresty green color. You have this gorgeous little mint green here. Then you have like a sky blue, or very light blue, Carolina blue. And then we come to this beautiful turquoise color here. We have a gorgeous color, the color of the year, gorgeous coral color. They're very pretty. We have a beautiful yellow, which is, I've been dying to do some work with yellow, which is why I picked this one when I was working with Lisa, who is the coordinator that helped me with all of this. We have a little bit of a darker blue. It's almost like a periwinkle or cornflower, and it's really a pretty color. And I like these bright colors. I think they're beautiful for summer, spring. And a lot of the information I read on color trends for this entire year features a lot of these super bright colors. But then we have this beautiful gray, and I think it's just really, really pretty with the AB finish on it. And it would make a spectacular contrast color in my work. And we also have a very pretty it's almost like a mauve. It's a little bit hard to see on the camera here, but it's like a pinkish purple, and then you have the beautiful baby finish on there. It's almost like a dusty rose or something. It's actually really pretty. And then there's one more color over here that I already cut off, and it's a beautiful little burgundy color. So those are the little crystal rondelles. We're going to talk more about these guys later when we take a look at the taking them off the strands, checking them for uniformity and things like that. Then next up, I have ordered these cute little flower cup beads, and these are 6mm, just glass flowers, and this is the Morning Glory color mix. So here you can see right here that you get 30 pieces of various colors. So they're really pretty. The cup is beautiful. It looks very similar to ones I've seen, check glass ones. And they're really nice quality. They don't even need chips or anything. They're nice and smooth. The hole size is a fairly good size. You can get the needle through easily. The purpose I thought I might use these for, I've been looking at, I've found some wire techniques that use these to make beautiful set of earrings on Pinterest. And so I thought I would check these out and maybe do a tutorial to show you guys how to make those earrings. And these are beautiful colors. You get a nice mix. The only thing I noticed was that this color, which is like a beautiful teal, there was only one. So it's just a small mix. You're not going to get a whole lot of one color. But, you know, we'll find something to do with them. And I really just do like the quality. You can also make fringe with them. You can use them to make this beautiful bracelets where you start with square stitch and then you come off of it and make fringe and do like a fluffy bracelet. But they're really pretty and they're nice quality. And like I said, there's no chips. Where the holes are is nice and smooth. So they're very decent quality beads. And I'm satisfied with that. I'm going to do a project tutorial for you guys using these. Most definitely. And some copper wire. Alright. And then the final thing that I ordered is the Panda Hall Elite 160 piece sew-on rhinestone faceted Monties. So here's another thing I like. These came super well packaged. So basically you just open up the box, if I can get it open, and you have this adorable little case that you can use to store all these little Monties in. Each one of these types were individually bagged inside of here, but I went ahead and took them out of the baggies so I can show you what came in here. Now these are glass Monties, and they are really beautiful. So we're going to take a look at these. We've got some hearts. We'll measure them, and we'll show you guys. I'll show you guys more specifics about them later on. You have beautiful teardrops in a large size. You have teardrops here in a little bit smaller size. And look how pretty those are. They're really nice quality, guys. And then they have the double sew-through holes on the teardrops, which is really nice. And so do the hearts. So that when you sew them into your project, they can't flip over. So that's really cool. Then we have some beautiful marquees. In each one you get different colors. Like I said, we will do some measurements shortly and sort through and see what our sizes are and how much of each color. Then we have some rounds, which are tiny. Like, I'm pretty sure these are 4 millimeters. And they also have these ones have the sew-through holes going this way and this way, just like the Monties you get some from Swarovski or Preciosa. And then this is a larger round. There are some baguettes. And then some beautiful ovals. So you get a wonderful variety of these little sew-ons. A lot of times when you see these in the craft stores and things, they're acrylic. But these are actually glass. And they're really pretty. And we'll delve into that just a little bit more as we move along. I'm going to be doing a series of quality videos on these particular items. And I will stitch them and show you guys what I determine about them. So I'm going to quickly review the cost of these particular items really quick, just to give you an idea of how inexpensive that they are for you to purchase. So at this box of the rhinestone Montes in all the beautiful varieties that I showed you, it contains 160 pieces, and the price was only $11.85. The packaging is fabulous. We will be doing separate little videos to review the quality of each of these, but I just wanted to go over the price and everything with you because overall it's a really great deal. All right, the seed bead assortment, which is completely beautiful. You get, hold on just one moment, let me double check. So I'm going to have to take a guess at it. I will probably, when I do the separate video on the seed beads, I will measure out how many grams is in each one of these little containers to fill you in on that. But you get all 12 colors, and it looks to me like you're going to get close to somewhere between 15 and 20 grams of the 12O seed beads in 12 colors, and the price is $11.89. So that is a really pretty good deal if the quality is there. For the 6mm flower cut beads that I have here, the price was only $5.99 for 30, and they're really pretty and they got beautiful quality. What I like most about these is that the ends are nice and smooth. I have bought many of them where the end where you stick your needle through is like rough and jagged and will cut your thread, but these are beautiful quality, so that is an excellent deal. And then we come to the 10 strands of the 2x3mm rondelles, and I got 10 15-inch strands. You can see how long this strand is. I'll start here and just bring it along and show you. And you're getting anywhere from 150 to 200 of these rondelles on each of the 10 strands, and the price for that was only $5.59. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've already started taking the little rondelles off for the next video. We're going to start out by examining the rondelles in part 2 of this series of the BeebeeCraft product review. Alright guys, that's it for right now. I'll be back shortly with the next video, and we'll go over how we feel about these rondelles. I want to thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Head over to BeebeeCraft and look around for yourself. They have not just beading crafts. They have items for all types of crafting. It's a very unique site. Maybe I will even do a little short video with you guys and review the website. All right, thank you for watching, and have a good day.